Alright guys, what's up? It's Danny McFarland, and up there we got Andrew Hawkins. We're a little bored up in the snowstorm, kind of thinking of shit to entertain ourselves. So we got about probably a 5-foot mound of snow right there that we created, and Andrew's gonna be jumping off the top. So yeah, let's go. Take one. He's on top of the fucking world right now. On top of the fucking world.
I am not a role model, but I am the friend.
Facial like shit. Hey, you got some white stuff on your lips.
That's what she said.
Oh, alright.
Alright, get me out.